G'day all. Stephen from Bard's Brothers Railroad on YouTube asked me the other day if I could do him a favour and see if the Huxtable Stirling Engine would fire off a super burner instead of just the gas fired. So it's been a few days. I've finally got around to doing it. So let's give it a go. We'll see how we go. First of all, take the gas burner off. This is the smallest super burner that I've got. Before we put fuel in there, just try and get this at the right height. Got some blocks of wood here. Some scrap wood. What's that like? Is that high enough? No. Okay, it's a little bit high, but that should work. Alright. I don't think it will have a problem running this. It puts out a fair bit of flame, these super burners, even this small one. Put the metho in. Okay, that's up. Just slide it on this wood because there's always a few drips. Just let it vapor off and drip a bit. See that there? They always spit that bit. Now it's starting to fire. Okay, we'll place that under. Alright, it's a fair bit of heat coming up there. Let's see how that goes. We'll just give that a little bit. You can't really see the flame with the lights on, but you can see that flame now. It's pretty impressive. Just even out so it's coming on both sides. Turn the lights on. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. The super burner is roaring very nicely there, and we'll see if it's got enough heat to run the Huxtable. No problem. Running it with absolute ease, and this is the smallest super burner that I've got. Just move that out. You can hear it roaring. It's quite a big, heavy cast iron flywheel on the Huxtable, and it's a fairly hefty. You can see it's a fairly hefty Stirling engine, and that super burner, that small super burner, body's about 2 inches, 2 inches by roughly about an inch of brass pipe, totally sealed. That's the idea of the super burner. It's totally sealed, and as it gets hotter, it vaporizes the methylated spirits, and you get that nice flame. I'll see if I can turn the lights off here and you can see it. And you can just see a little bit of blue flame there. But there you go, running the very nice Huxtable, absolutely effortless. I'm glad you asked me to do this, Stephen, because I've only ever operated the Huxtable with gas. It's good to see it running on something different, and I don't think I would have ever actually put the Supa Burner underneath it. I've got some videos where I show you how to make and describe the Supa Burners. If you have a look through my videos and do a search, everyone who's got steam engines or now Stirling engines, after this little experiment, you should have a Supa Burner or two. You can even make them with a double wand. You can have one wand that length, and you can have another one, a wand that's half the length, so you can do a boiler with them. But look, they're really good. So I hope you enjoyed that, everybody. And as always, bye for now.